Hi guys, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to talk about the NOCO Genius 10, and stay until the end of the video. I will tell you why I think this is the ultimate charger from the NOCO Genius product. Also, if you're interested in the NOCO Genius 2 and 5, check out the link in the description down below. I'll put the video link down there. So now let's get started. So here we have the NOCO Genius 10. I'm going to do an unboxing. The Genius 10 is a similar product to the NOCO G7200, but this one is 17% smaller and 115 more power. And it's easier and simpler to use. So it's designed for 6-volt and 12-volt lead acid, automotive marine deep cycle batteries, including flooded gel, AGM, and maintenance-free lithium ion batteries. So with the NOCO Genius 10, you're gonna enjoy precision charging because it has an integrated thermal sensor that detects the ambient temperature. So it altered the charge to eliminate the overcharging when you are in a hot climate, or prevent undercharging when you are in a colder climate. It also charges a dead battery up to 1 volt, and also you can use a force mode to take control of manual charging a dead battery down to 0 volt. So the NOCO Genius 10 restores your battery because it detects sulfation and acid stratification to restore the lost performance of your battery for extended life. And also it's compatible to all different types of vehicles, including motorcycle, lawnmowers, ATVs, tractors, SUV, you name it. This does everything for you. See what we have in the box. We have the manual. So it's a pretty big unit. As you can see, it's a lot bigger than the NOCO Genius 2 or Genius 5. So, and start measuring with my tape measure how big this is. So the length is 7 inches. So the width is 3.5 inches, and the thickness is around 2.5 inches. So inside the box we have the manual. So you got the power cord, the charging cable, and also the battery clamps with the eyelet connected to the clamps. So the eyelet, you can remove the eyelet to directly connect it to your battery. So all you have to do is unscrew this bolt here and take out the eyelets and connect them to your battery directly, so you can have a hard wire for your battery. And all you have to do is connect this quick disconnect to the charging cable. So instead of using the clamps, you can easily use the disconnect to charge your battery. And also the connector is waterproof. As you can see, there's a rubber gasket on this, so it's gonna be waterproof. Once you plug it in, even if it's raining outside, so the battery will not be shorted, it's still gonna be insulated from the rain, which is good. The spring on the clamp is pretty strong, and it's gonna give you a good grip when you clamp this to your battery. So also in the box comes with this also in the box we have this bracket. So the bracket, you can screw this on your firewall inside the engine bay if you want to put the charger inside your engine bay. So all you have to do is screw this bracket with the two holes here with the included self-tapping screw. It came in a box. So you screw that to the firewall and you can put your charger inside the engine bay. So the strap will, the Velcro strap will secure it in place. Like this. So the NOCO Genius 10 is a 10 amp and it's more advanced than the NOCO Genius 2 or the Genius 5. So we'll talk about all these functions in a minute, but for now I'm gonna talk about the symbols here. So for the symbol here, when it's lit, this means the battery voltage is too high for the selected mode. And the next one beside it means that the battery is bad. Either the battery is shorted or the battery is damaged. And on the third symbol here, that means it's reverse polarity, so the charger is not connected in the proper way, so you have to reverse the clamps to charge it properly. And for this one is a standby mode. So all these symbols here will flash if the operating temperature is too high or too low. So it will only stop flashing if the charger will resume and goes back to the operating temperature. So now we're gonna try the different modes on the Genius 10. So I have my battery here. So just to show you the modes, you have to press the mode button here. So the first 12 volts that you see here, this is used for wet, gel cell, flooded, and maintenance-free calcium batteries. If you press it again, it's gonna go to 12 volts AGM. So this is good for 12 volts AGM batteries. So the next one is the lithium ion. So that's a blue color LED. So this is only good to charge the lithium ion if you have a battery management system. So if you don't have battery management system on your lithium ion batteries, you don't use this one. It's not good for your battery. So if you press it longer, now you have a 6 volt AGM, 12 volt supply. So the 12 volt supply, if you want to have a constant 12 volts that you want to power up instead of charging a battery, this is what you need to use. This will bypass the management system of the Genius 10. It's gonna give you direct 12 volt battery supply. So now we're on the repair mode. So now you use this if you want to repair your battery. All you have to do is hold the mode button and it's gonna go to the repair mode. So before I hook up the Genius 10 on the BMW, first I want to measure the voltage, how much we have. So I have the multimeter here. So I'm going to measure the voltage on the battery right now. I'm going to put the black to the negative and the red to the positive. So now we have 12.45 volts. So I'm going to hook up the charger and then we're going to monitor how much voltage we have during charging. And also we're gonna check out how much voltage we have after, when the battery is full. So I'm gonna put on the 12 volt AGM because it's just a 12 volt AGM battery. So it started charging now. So each block represents 25% of the charge. So we can come back and check it out when it's fully charged. So I got the battery multimeter hooked up right now, so it's reading 12.97 volts. So it charges pretty fast. Now we're on 12.78 volts. So now it's 100% fully charged, but still now it's on maintenance mode. So we get 12.86 during maintenance mode. So during charging it went up to 14 volts, but now the battery is full and it's on maintenance mode. As you can see, the NOCO Genius 10 is pulsing green. That means it's on the maintenance mode. And on that mode we have 12.85 volts on the battery. So I think the NOCO Genius 10 is the ultimate charger from NOCO Genius product, because this charger does everything. Plus with the 10 amps you get faster charging than the 5 or the 2. And also you get the 12 volts, direct 12 volts supply. So if you want to power up something that's 12 volts, you can use this mode. You have the 6 volt AGM and you also have the 6 volts regular. Plus you have the 12 volt repair mode. So this does everything that you could ask for from a charger. So that's why I think this is the ultimate charger from the NOCO Genius product. So guys, if you like the video, please give this video a like. And also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.